Today I'll be walking you through my full and honest review of the Bank of America Home Equity Platform. From the moment you land on their homepage, the layout is clean and designed to direct you toward either applying for a home equity line of credit, HELOC, or learning more about your options. Navigation is straightforward, and major features are highlighted above the fold. When you click through to the HELOC section, Bank of America offers a brief explanation of how a home equity line works, including how it differs from a traditional loan. They include a helpful comparison chart that outlines interest rates, draw periods, and repayment terms. However, I found that the fine print around variable APRs is a little harder to locate, so you'll need to pay close attention. The application process is mostly digital, and you can start it online, but don't expect to complete everything in one sitting. You'll be required to upload various documents related to your income, mortgage, and property value. Processing time wasn't lightning fast. It took about 10 days before I heard anything back. One positive note is that you can track your application progress via your online dashboard, which reduces a lot of the guesswork. Interest rates offered are competitive if you have a strong credit score and a solid loan-to-value ratio. But keep in mind that advertised, low, rates are only available to those who qualify for all their discounts, such as autopay from a BofA checking account and a high credit tier. Without these, your rate might be significantly higher. Many other useful links you can find in the description. Customer service is hit or miss. I spoke with 3 different reps across phone and chat. One was incredibly helpful, one gave me generic answers, and one redirected me to a different department entirely. Be ready for some inconsistent service depending on who you get. Bank of America does a good job of explaining potential fees, like annual charges or early closure fees, but you have to dig a little to find them. The loan calculator is a helpful tool that allows you to play with different scenarios, monthly payments, borrowing limits, and interest charges, but it assumes ideal conditions that may not apply to everyone. The biggest drawback is the lack of transparency around final approval criteria. Even with a high credit score and a low debt-to-income ratio, I wasn't given a clear reason for the rate I was offered. It felt a bit like a black box, which can be frustrating when you're making a big financial decision. Still, for users already in the Bank of America ecosystem, the integration is smooth. You can manage everything from one dashboard, and there are occasional rate discounts for existing customers. This makes it convenient if you already have checking, savings, or a mortgage with them. Overall, Bank of America's home equity offering is decent for borrowers who qualify for the top tiers and want everything under one roof. But if you're looking for transparency, lightning-fast service, or the absolute lowest rates, you might want to explore competitors as well. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and walkthroughs like this one.